internet! Today is a different type of video because you don't normally see my face on this channel, but I kind of wanted to start the video off like this because I wanted to show you guys how big this particular advent calendar is. And I also just want to talk a little bit about the calendar itself because the advent calendar is by Smiggle, which is an Australian cutesy, more childlike stationery company, and it's not really a brand that I gravitate towards anymore, but I'm a huge sucker for advent calendars. Like, I'm addicted to them, which is probably not a good thing. And there are so few stationery related advent calendars, so when I saw this, I was kind of like, I don't know whether to unbox it. I don't know. Like, it's 50 Australian dollars, which is actually not a bad price point, given that, say, the Kiki K advent calendar last year was like 120 or something like that. It's sitting in that point where I wondered whether people might be interested to see what was in it, and it is still stationery related for the most part, but I thought I would just go for it anyways and see what you guys think. But yeah, I wanted to put that out there because this isn't really the sort of content I usually film. If you're not a big fan of Smiggle, then feel free to watch another video. I have my Plan With Me video coming up next, so you can watch that. Anyways, let's get on to the actual calendars. So I wanted to show you guys how big it was because I felt like this is the only way to show you guys how massive the calendar is. But yeah, you guys can see how huge. I can't even fit it in the screen, like just barely. So that's how big it is. I'm gonna unbox it on my desk in front of me. So let's switch views. Okay, so you guys can see that even on my desk, I can't fit the whole thing in. It's just that big. But let's just go through every single day and look at the things up close. So day number 1, it's really hard to see them. They're kind of a little hidden. And this is a little dolphin. Okay, by the way, this whole kit smells like fake fruits or something. Like there's a scent to it. I think this is an eraser. I'm like not 100% sure. It just feels like it would be an eraser. Number 2, I'm gonna have to tilt it. It's down here, just here. So let me, yeah, it's kind of off camera. I really need to get a bigger desk. Oh, okay. So this is a ruler. I don't know how easy it is to see against the calendar itself, but it's a very flexible ruler. Like, it came a little bit bent, but you can see you could bend it completely. This is actually not bad. I think I might actually keep this one. I can at least tell you guys which one I plan to keep and which ones I might give to my niece because she's 6, so I think she would enjoy it. I did consider doing this unboxing with her, but I don't really think I want to put her on the internet just yet. So number 3 is just below number 2, and it's a very long one. I think it's like a pencil maybe. Yep, it's a pencil. I actually really like this pencil. Oh, and it's colorful. I don't know if you guys can see. Like, I'm not sure if it will zoom onto it or focus, but it's like a 3 color. There's like yellow, blue, green, and red. So if you sharpen it, you're gonna get a multicolor lead. But I love this color. It's so pretty. So number 4 is, where is number 4? Number 4 is just here. What is this? It's like a wristband. Oh, I remember these as children. It's like a slap wrist. So you have it here and it just slaps around. This is definitely for children because I remember having this when I was like 6. This is so nostalgic, so weird. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna give that to my niece. Number 5 is down here. This looks like a highlighter. Yeah, it's like a little mini highlighter. And it has a fruity smell as well. I think all the stationery is going to have fruity smells just because it is Smiggle, and I think kids generally love fruity smells. But yeah, little pink highlighter. Okay, number 6 is on the side over here. And, ooh, like a notepad? Oh yeah, it's like a bunch of sticky notes that say Smiggle. You can't really write on it though, just because there's not a lot of space to write, but that's kind of cool as well. And number 7 is over on this side. A little book. Oh, it's like a little mini notebook. The miniest notebook there ever was. And then number 8. Number 8 is right in the center. Let's open this up. Oh, it's a sharpener. It's like a little sausage dog sharpener. That is so weird though. So the pencil goes through the dog's mouth and then it sharpens, like the sharpenings come out here. We're looking for 9. 9 is right here. Okay, it's like another pen. But you see what I mean? Like, it doesn't tear up nicely, so you kind of have to like rip it like that. It doesn't really tear up super nice. That's my experience with a lot of advent calendars. They just tend to be built like that. So this is a secret pen. Okay, let me try to this book. I'm not sure if this is how it works, but I think it's like a black light sort of deal. So you write on paper, and then after you write it, and I'm not sure it's gonna work, so I just took the little leaflet thing off because it was hiding the button. But you have your little hello there, and see, I don't know if it's gonna show, but in person you can actually see the writing. Let me bring it up. Can you guys see it? Oh, barely, but yeah, it shows you what's written there, hello. So yeah, it's super gimmicky, but I reckon a lot of kids would like that stuff. Okay, so that was number 9. Yep, number 9. So we're looking for 10. 10 is up here, and it's a weird angle. And this is it's like a little lanyard sort of deal. Yeah, so you can like put your keys here. This is actually pretty functional. The one I actually have a really ugly one for my car keys. So 11 is down here. I feel like these boxes are definitely not great for people with long nails. For some reason, I'm struggling so much with my nails. Oh, it's an eraser. You gotta kind of pull it out. Yeah, it's an eraser. This I would actually use. It also still has that fruity smell, but yeah, love the eraser. 12 is down here at the bottom, just here. And it is a chocolate bar, a fake chocolate bar. What's it supposed to do though? Oh, it's like a pen. It's like a pencil chocolate bar. This is definitely going to my niece because I cannot imagine using that at all. 13 is right in the middle. And it is, oh, it's like a bookmark. So it's like a paper clip and it's just a decorative piece you stick on. I'm gonna give this one to my niece as well. 14 is just here on the side. Oh, it's a stapler. All right, I could get on board with this. Does it come with staples? Oh, and it's like comes with staples. Perfect. I can actually use this. I'm gonna have like a pile of stuff that I think I'm gonna keep and then a pile of stuff I'm gonna give to my niece. And 15 is up here. Right at the top. Oh, and that teared pretty okay. And it's a super long eraser. I used to have these ones, but with like the Hello Kitty face when I was a kid. And the idea is that you're supposed to chop them up so you have like little erasers. I don't know if it's the same concept nowadays. Like I have no idea what children are into nowadays, but it kind of reminds me of that. Really long eraser. 16 is down just here. It's another one of those doors which are hard to open, but we will get there. Oh, I have this pen. So surprised it's still around because I would have bought it like years ago. Just a simple ballpoint pen, probably 0.5. But can you guys see like there's like a maze design in it, and there's one metal ball. There's one, no, there's two. And the idea is that you just have to try and get the ball through the maze just by like tilting and twisting the pen. I actually have one of these. I don't know if I still have it or whether I got rid of it, but I remember buying this a really long time ago just because I thought the concept was kind of cool. But obviously now it's not really for me, so I'll give this to my niece as well. So 17, all right, 17 is right at the top over here. Oh, wow, it's like a hamburger. And I think it's like a name tag, so you can stick this to your luggage. I tell you what though, if you had this on your luggage as an adult, it would stand out. You probably wouldn't lose your luggage. 18 is just over here. Just opening it up. Oh, it's a whoa. It's like a multi-barrel pen, but all the colors. Except, how does this work? Because, okay, see, you usually have all these push-down nibs, but you have them all around. Whereas here, you just kind of twist them to the color you want. So if I wanted black, I would make sure to line to the black ink and then push down, and then I would get the black ink. And then you just twist it to pull it back in. Wow, this is huge. And it's going straight to my niece. There's no way I could use a pen like that. I feel like it would just be so uncomfortable. 19 is just up here. Oh, looks like a keychain. Pizza keychain. Yep, just a little pizza keychain. And then number 20 is down here, just here. Smiggle glue stick. This one's going to the pile of stuff I'll keep because I can always use more glue. I actually need to resort out my sticker folder after this video. So we've got 21 here, which is really long. And I have this as well. Oh. I actually do have this downstairs. I was This might be, I don't know if it's glitter. It's basically highlighters, but these are all different colored highlighters and you just stack them on with the whichever color you want to use. I have this exact one, so I might give it to my niece just because I have it, but if I didn't have it, I would totally keep it because I actually really like the concept. So 21, 22 is where? Okay, 22 is right in this corner over here. Probably another pen. Guys, I have this one as well. I'm a little shocked at how much a little shocked at how much Smiggle stationery I still have. So it's a multicolored pen. Yeah, okay, I don't know if I have this exact one because the tip looks different, but it basically just, as you write, the different colored inks will flow through, so you'll have like different colors coming through. And then we have 23, which is right here in the middle. Oh, it's another highlighter. Can't ever have too many highlighters. This is a yellow one to match the pink one that we just got. These are probably very fluorescent. Can't speak. It's probably very fluorescent, whereas I'm more leaning towards like the pale pastel sort of highlighters. So that was 23. 24 is this massive one here. You know, as you get closer to the end of the month, you expect the things to get a little bit more special. So hopefully we'll end on a good note. Okay, I'm just gonna pull the whole door out. Oh, it's a pack of coloring pencils, like a pack of mini coloring pencils. That's really cool. Oh, no point me keeping them because I have plenty of pencils, so I'm gonna give that to my niece. And the final one, day 25. Some advent calendars don't have 25, some do, some like on the Christmas day, so I'm not sure what the rule is there, why some have it and some don't. Okay, this is like completely ripping the box apart. Ooh. This is a little keychain calculator. Is it working? Or do I have to like, do I need to like put batteries in? Okay, the calculator doesn't seem to work. Maybe it needs batteries, but remember that pencil or pen that has that maze idea? It's the same thing here. You've got all these little metal balls to get through the maze. And that's day 25. So that's everything in the advent calendar. I'm gonna put this box aside and I'm gonna create 2 groups so you can see what goes to my niece and what I'm gonna keep. Okay, so these are the 2 piles. You can obviously, this is the pile that I'm gonna keep and this is the pile I'm gonna give to my niece. So I think that kind of speaks volumes about the calendar itself. If you're somebody who really follows my aesthetic in terms of stationery and just general subject matter of things that I personally love, then this is probably not the calendar for you. But maybe if you know a child who is starting to really get into stationery, like my niece, she's only 6, so this is perfect for her. She's really into coloring and all that sort of stuff. I would think this calendar is perfect for her. So I'm half tempted to go get another one and just give that to her, but she's already going to get all of this, so I'll think of something else for Christmas for her. But yeah, I hope you guys found the video informative, useful. I know it's not my usual content, as I said, but I thought it wouldn't hurt to put this video out there anyways, and hopefully it proves helpful to somebody out there. Maybe some parents out there that are looking for different sort of advent calendars for their kids. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.